So hello everyone, today let us enter into the new topic, the nervous system. Okay, so today let us cover the introduction for your nervous system. So nervous system, it detects and responds to the changes inside and outside the body, so which is a very important system. So together with the endocrine system, it controls the important aspects of the body function and it maintains the homeostasis, that is the balance inside your body. So nervous system stimulation provides an immediate response. Okay, so while endocrine activity, so it will produce a slower and a prolonged action. Okay, so immediately responding system is the nervous system and a prolonged system is the endocrine system. So the nervous system consists of brain, the spinal cord and peripheral nerves. Okay, so the organization of nervous tissue within the body enables a rapid communication between the different parts of the body. Okay, so the arrangement and organization, so it provides an immediate and rapid reaction. So responses to the changes in the internal environment maintains the homeostasis and it regulates the involuntary functions, okay, like blood pressure and digestive activity. So response to changes in the external environment maintains the posture and other voluntary activities. Okay, so if there is any need for response to the internal environment, so it will maintain the homeostasis and it will regulates the involuntary, which is not under our control. And if it is an external, so the changes will be produced either by posture or by voluntary action, that is the actions under our control. So the parts of the nervous system are grouped as the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So central nervous system, it consists of brain and spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system, it consists of nerves that is outside the brain and spinal cord. So mainly cranial nerves and spinal nerves. So the peripheral nervous system, it comprises paired cranial and sacral nerves. Some of these are sensory in nature and some are motor in nature. Okay, and some are mixed. So it is useful to consider two functional parts within the PNS, that is your PNS can be again divided into sensory and motor division. In turn, the motor division is again divided into voluntary and involuntary. So voluntary, it is somatic nervous system, that is the movement of our voluntary control, and involuntary, it is autonomic nervous system, so it functions of smooth muscle and cardiac muscle and glands. So autonomic nervous system, it has two parts, sympathetic and parasympathetic. So the nervous system, it consists of a vast number of cells and called as neurons, that is the functional units. So supported by special type of connective tissues called as neuroglia. Okay, so the neurons will be supported by neuroglia. So each neuron consists of a cell body and its process, one axon and many dendrites. So neurons are commonly referred to as simply as nerve cells. So bundle of axons bound together are called as nerves. So neurons cannot divide, and for survival, the neurons, unlike other body parts, they cannot be divided into daughter cells, and for their survival they need a continuous supply of oxygen and glucose. Okay, so unlike many other cells, neurons can synthesize the chemical energy from glucose only. So neurons have the characteristics of irritability and conductivity. So irritability means it is the ability to initiate nerve impulses in response to stimuli, either from outside the body, like touch, light, heat, etc., or from inside the body, example a change in concentration of carbon dioxide alters the respiration, although it may be itself in voluntary movement. So in the body, this stimulation may be described as partly electrical and partly chemical. So electrical in that the motor neurons and sensory nerve endings initiate nerve impulses, and chemical in transmission of impulses between one neurons and next by a neurochemical, that is called as transmitters. So conductivity means the ability to transmit the impulse. Okay, so this is the organization of your nervous system. So your nervous system is divided into central and peripheral nervous system. Your central nervous system, it comprises of brain and spinal cord. Your peripheral nervous system, it consists of autonomic nervous system and somatic nervous system. So somatic nervous system, it is under our voluntary control, that is your skeletal muscles. So autonomic nervous system, which is under your involuntary control, like smooth muscle, cardiac muscle and glands. So again, autonomic nervous system is divided into two, sympathetic and parasympathetic. So sympathetic, it is used in your body flight fright mechanism, and parasympathetic, so it is under your body, it is active when your body is under rest. Okay, so take care, bye bye.